In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Valorant when it's stuck on the loading screen. I know how frustrating it can be when you're ready to jump into a game, but you find yourself staring at a screen that just won't budge. Fortunately, I have some straightforward solutions that can help you get back into the action as quickly as possible. First things first, let's make sure your computer meets the necessary system requirements for Valorant. Sometimes, the game can get stuck simply because the system can't handle it. Check that your graphics card, CPU, and RAM meet the game's minimum requirements. You can normally find these requirements on the game's official website. Next, ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can often be the culprit behind performance issues. To update your graphics driver, go to the website for your specific graphics card manufacturer, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Follow their instructions for downloading and installing the latest drivers. Another step that can be particularly helpful is to run the game as an administrator. This can sometimes resolve issues with permissions that could be causing Valorant to hang on the loading screen. To do this, right-click on the Valorant shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. This simple step can often resolve your problem immediately. If the loading screen issue persists, consider clearing the game's cache files. These files can sometimes become corrupted, resulting in prolonged loading times. To clear them, go to the App Data folder on your computer. From there, navigate to Local, then find the Valorant folder and delete its contents. Don't worry, this will only remove temporary files and won't affect your game progress. Another potential solution is to check your internet connection. Valorant requires a stable connection to function correctly, and issues with your internet can impact its performance. Try resetting your router or connecting your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable to ensure a stable connection. Additionally, take a look at your system's firewall settings. Sometimes, an overprotective firewall can block Valorant from connecting properly. To adjust this, go to your computer's control panel, navigate to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. From there, allow Valorant through both private and public networks. If you've tried all these steps and still face issues, you might need to reinstall the game. Sometimes, a fresh installation can clear out any persistent glitches. To do this, go to your control panel and uninstall Valorant. Then, download a new copy from the official website and reinstall it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with Valorant getting stuck on the loading screen. Don't forget to restart your computer after trying these solutions to ensure that all changes take effect. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!